daga jing angnut ban pensuk ik pai ba banyo ikilat ban kensho yala kapisa khnang bakalawe kan long ka basuk bat ka bakaman khamtam ik pai ba hakishnong nong kondong menta kasngi ketna trekam joka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society hakajing trelang bat ka Indian Post Payment Bank kala pelong ya ka program ajing nang jingtep lani ka workshop halor ka financial inclusion ya ka bala pelong HDRDA conference hall Nongpoh kajing temu jongkane ka program ka bala pelong menta kasngi kalong ban ai ki jingtep jingnang chekinong tre ki balatip kum ki bang sakhi bat kinong pensyai halor ka jing koridor jong ka jing show pisa lani ki financial literacy cadres ki baderu ki dekhot jong ki self help group hapo ka National Rural Livelihood Mission kilat jing hikai ki longru halor ki jing mentoy jong ki jing show pisa lembar kiwe ya ki bala ban leru hapo ka Indian Postal Payment Bank kini ki bang sakhi bar ki financial literacy cadre hadin bakilayo ya ki jing nang jingtep baper kin salik pat ban ai jing shai halor ki jing mentoy jong ki lat ken show pisa syaki SSG jong ki snong baper lengba kani ka program la ai jing kairu halor ka jing rokam ban perung kerteng ya ki saving account bat ka Aadhaar nakabenta ka jing suk jong ki pai ba hakaban pha pisa lane sei pisa lengba ka Aadhaar enable payment system khamtam kani kalat kan pensuk ki pai ba nong sosnong hakisnong nong kondong ki ba kampaji na ki bang lani ki post office hakani ka program lawan ban simentaru do project director ka DRDA uba BJ Kharshandi ki officer nakatnat Indian Postal ki bakunthop nadu Unavin Deshmukh AGM ka North East Circle Uvinal Kumar Senior Manager ke Shillong u Alok Kumar Singh Area Sale Manager jong Shillong uba Andreas Merman DFS FI jong ka MSRLS lembat kiwe lan batai kendia lalu kene ka program ka nakaliang ka post office mendasi kala pelong hani po DRDA conference hall
nakaliang jonga kumu project director jonga DRDA Nongpoh ai kuble ya ka habaning kong kani ka MSRLS ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society kabla pynlong ya gini ki workshops haki district ki baper haka bidai bakani ka Indian Postal Payment Bank te mentak sngi yo ban pynlong ya gini ka workshop haka ka district ka jongi te haka jingtip jonga ka kum ka jingnya keren bat EGM jonga ni ka bank te masukho ba kani ka Indian Postal Payment Bank hi kadai ka benta ka dekhot jong kani ka Department of Post jong ka Government of India te ka jing khmu hi jong kani ka IPPB ka long ban wara kani ka financial inclusion nani ban penrung ki beri ki bakwa ban don ka bank linkage nani ban pli ka account ha bank ban penrung ki Shaki doorstep ke jongki ni shiki yeng ke jongki te kani ke doorstep service ke baka IPPB ka ai ka long namar ba kini ki postman kini ki no ashiki ki badon ha ki post office ki badon kini ki than no kondong itu hi kin long ki bankers itu hi kin long ki dekhot lani ki nong tre jong kani ka Indian Postal Payment Bank te hakajing keren mentan bat ki bank te kajing lap jonga kalong ba hagini ki banai bladep nakaliang jong ki officers jong ki departments baper ngiju pelong ini ki meetings bat ki banks ngiju request ki ba kin play jigini ki bank branches akini ki than nong kondong namar ba kini ki bre ki basa sini ki than nong kondong ki jenjar ha ban one headquarter lani ban net ka bank bajantam namar ka bank bajantam ru kan sim for kumba arpusan laiko kilometer ye tikidon lai ki isnong ki bajingai hadu palak yaksan 4 kilometer ban poi ha ka bank ba jantam te andre hakajing keren jongi batini ki bank sten nakaliang juki ki don ki jongki ki don ki rule ki jongki ki babu kita ki jingge ya ki bakin play ya kita ki branch ki jongki mentah te kajingwan jong IPPB hi kalong aso kalong kujik gerku nama ta ki brio ki basa ki thanyo kondong namar ba ini ki brio ki let shaki yeng ki sem ki jongki bat ke enrollment pakabide bat kini IPPB ki don kam tang yang ka Aadhaar number te ni suthu baro ba Aadhaar enrollment mentah ka state baro koi kadang yak te mentah pat nakaliang jong ka General Administration Department jong ka state government te ki la sim khia ya kini Aadhaar enrollment but nang ni shakmat lakut uni ubanai September nadu Oktober shakmat te ki enrollment hi kan hab hapo ka jingpek ka jong deputy commissioner baru kumju ha ka block level dau block development officer te nakaliang jong ka district jong iru ngila ya kren ngila ICT ngila kren bat hini ki badi pek ha po General Administration Department te kin sadon kini ki units tingila persyang banyo ki bebun ki units baru kumju ki staff ki ban man ni gitu ki enrollment units ki biometric units baru kumju ya ki supervisor ki bedi ban page haka office hangni po district level baru kumju haka block level ke ngingit scam ba onang iyo kani tingila ada pelong ru ka meeting bat kini ki block development officers nang ta ki CDPO ru kumju te ka awareness nakaliang jo ka DRDA ru ngin sa ai keleng-keleng ngin sa ai ki shnong ki thau lomba ki gram sevak lomba kini ki block technical assistance nata ki video ru kin chim khya yakani ka kam bat ka iba ka jengi I ka jongi ka long ba wat ka mindset jungi brio ru kalap her ha ka bede bat ka adhar enrollment te ki por ki ba manshwa ki brio ki tieng manwan chakmat ban enroll ka adhar namar ki suthu bakla tare meta kala wan pat ka jing suthu ka bathmai nakaliang ka jongi ba ki don kam ban enroll yelede ban yo you know adhar number namar ba kindakwa ban yo ikini ki scheme sarkar ki welfare schemes ki ba pher ki don kam hi ya uni adhar number ti kani ka enrollment hapo kani ka Indian Postal Payment Bank hi kalong ko basuk ha ki bri kim don kam banwara ka epic card kim don kam banwara ration card ka residential certificate ka pan card kanu kim don kam ki don kam tang ya ka adhar card nama ki don kam tang adhar number tikin ai adhar number ka enrollment chukiru kinle ning ba ka mobile app ka ba uwi postman lani uni gramin dak seva kin don batki tikin enroll ki but hisen deb ban enroll ki brio kila ban penukam ke bank account kila ban withdraw pisa kila ban save pisa kila ban tap pisa bat ka bastonat kalong ba kini ki postman kini ki gramin dak sevak kin long ru kin function ru kum ki ATM ka bomut ba la ki brio ki don kam pisa kila ban phone ki kini ki brio kin one shiying jongki ning ba ka mobile app kin connect sa account ko jongki la daki kwa ban withdraw suppose share jar ringka kin connect hang tu kin type share jar ringka but onda kala adep ban sim na ka account jongki utu postman hi un wara ka cash padu hang tu hi un ai ka tu ka cash iki tu brio te ka limit hi ka long hadu san hajar ringka te ka jing su thu jongi ka long ba shiki than yang kondong hi san hajar ringka hi ka de ka amount na ni ka de ka bla he ba ka amount ka bla he ba ke kani hi kan long ka jingkur khu na ka bata ki patwa jong ka district ban ngit scam hi ba da ka chingi trailang jong ka district administration jong ki BDOs nang ta jong ki record jong MSRLS but ini ki staff the officials jong ni ka Indian Postal Payment Bank kani ka service hi ka bangin yo menta kan long ka job public shibo.
Can you describe something about this program you're having from the Indian Postal and what the benefit will be to the rural people of Nongpoh district?
This program has been designed and with the help of MSRLS, this is the government agency. We are thankful to Rural Development Department also. Our India Post Payment Bank is a very new bank to the country. On 1st September 2018, we have launched 650 branches across the country. Almost we are having one branch in all the districts. With the help of this program, which is mainly a training and interactive session with all the bank sakhis and financial cadres. With this help of program, we will be able to have the financial awareness among the people of villages. And with the help of India Post Payment Bank, we will be inculcating the habits of savings in the people and this common citizen of villages. And we are having the GDS and postmen in our branches, the post officers. They will be working as a banker for the common people. With the help of these GDS and postmen, Gramin Dak Sevak and postmen, the financial services will be available to all the villages wherever their post office is there. We are also providing doorstep services to the common people where they will be able to open the accounts, savings accounts, and they will be able to withdraw the money and deposit the money. In this way, we will be able to serve the remotest part of the villages or the areas in the state and district.